Good morning students. Today also we'll continue with the lines and angle. I'm going to do 3 to 4 sums today and all are important. All are important. The first important sum is if the bisector of angle ABC, triangle ABC, interior bisector meet at O, triangle ABC, interior bisector of angle B and C meet at O. Bisector means this is x, this is x, this is y, this is y. Given then prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 plus half of angle A. If the bisector of interior angles meet at O, then prove that this is 90 plus. So you have to go slow. You have to see, you need angle BOC as well as angle A. That means both the triangles are involved. First take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, triangle A plus triangle B plus triangle C is equal to 180. Angle AB we can write 2x, this we can write 2y is equal to 180. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 minus angle A, or x plus y, it will be divided by 2, 90 minus A by 2. This is 1. So to get the answer, we have to find x and y from triangle BOC also. Triangle BOC is angle BOC plus angle OBC plus angle OCB is equal to 180. BOC we have to find. This is angle x and this is angle y is equal to 180, or x plus y is equal to 180 minus BOC. This is 2. This is also x plus y, this is also x plus y. तो क्या होगा इसमें होगा दोनों क्या हो जाएंगे, इक्वेट हो जाएंगे. So from 1 and 2 we can write angle 180 minus BOC is equal to 90 minus half of angle A. So BOC को उधर ले जाते हैं और 180 minus 90 plus half of angle A. So angle BOC is equal to 90 plus half of angle A. So you will see it twice. It's a very simple. From small triangle and bigger angle you have to find x and y and then you will resubstitute. Example 2. This is also equally important. Now the bisector of in a triangle ABC, bisector of exterior angle, this is exterior angle, meet at O. Bisector, this is x, this is x, this is y, this is y. Prove that triangle angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half of angle. Again you need two triangles, this and this. If you take triangle BOC, it will be OBC plus OCB plus BOC is equal to 180, angle sum property. That means x plus y plus BOC is equal to 180, or x plus y is equal to 180 minus BOC. This is 1. Now we have to find this and we need x and y also. So what relation is this? This is the exterior angle. So we'll write triangle ABC, 2x is equal to angle 3 plus angle 2. Exterior angle of, similarly 2y is equal to angle 3 plus angle 1. Exterior angle, add करा तो क्या होगा, 2x plus 2y is equal to 2 times angle 3. Sorry, we will write angle 3 plus angle 3 plus angle 1 plus angle 2. If you see angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 and in a triangle ABC, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to क्या है, 180. So 2x plus 2y, 3 we can write A, this we can write 180. So now x plus y dividing by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 90. From 1 and 2, this is 1 and this is 2, we can write 180 minus BOC is equal to half of angle 2 plus 90. So BOC shifted 180 minus half of angle A minus 90. So BOC is equal to 90 minus half of angle A. Hence, this was the second sum. These all are very important. Third sum. This is also very important. Third sum is that in triangle PQR, triangle PQR, PS is bisector of QPT. PS is QPR. QS is bisector. Meaning by this is the bisector of this, right? And PS is angle bisector of QPR, and PT is perpendicular on QR. Prove क्या करना है? We have to prove that angle TPS is equal to half of angle Q minus angle R. 1, 2, 3. Angle 2 is equal to 1 of 2 angle Q minus. So PS is the angle bisector of angle QPR. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3. This is very important. Now we take triangle PQT. In PQT, angle Q plus angle 1 plus this is 90 is equal to 180. Angle Q is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 1, or angle Q is equal to 90 minus angle 1. This is 2. Now we have to find R. R is where? In triangle PSR. PSR is not going to give us anything. PTR is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 90 plus angle R is equal to 180. Angle R is equal to 180 minus angle 2 minus angle 3. This is 2. Now if you see the question, we have to subtract. Subtracting 2 and 3. So angle Q minus angle R is equal to 90 minus angle 1 minus 90 minus angle 2 minus 3. So angle Q minus angle R is equal to 90 minus angle 1 minus 90 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. We need angle 3. So it should be something we see here. If we see here, this angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. So we will write angle Q minus angle R minus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus 2. This is given, or we have proved. Angle 1 is cancelled. 2 times angle 2 is equal to angle Q minus R, or angle 2 is equal to half of angle Q minus angle R. Hence, you will do this sum at least 2 to 3 times, right? Thank you.